Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Vocational Door. So, myself Shubham, and today I will be discussing a famous interview problem, which is maximum average subarray 1. So, in this problem, you will be given a array of nums with n elements and an integer k, and we need to find the contiguous subarray whose length is equal to k and is having the maximum average value, and we need to return that value. So as in the example, we can see there is an input array of nums and there is an integer value k. So we will discuss the approach first. So in this approach, since we know k is equal to 4, so we can solve it by using sliding window solution. So in this solution, we can assume there is a window of four size. So first we will start from the first element, so which will be this, and we will go to the fourth. So this will be a window, and if we slide this window towards right, so it will be like that. It will start from 12 and it will end to 50, and we can maximum go till last. So if we start from 5 and we go till here like this, so it will be like this. So here in this example, we will be having total three windows. So now there are three windows. So now what we need to do? We need to find the sum of each window. So like this is the first window, this is the second window, and this is the third window. We will calculate the sum for each window, and whatever the maximum sum will be, obviously that will result in the maximum average value as we have the constant value of k. So now we will calculate the value of each window sum. So for this, it will be 1 plus 12 minus 5 minus 6. So it will be 2, and then 12 minus 5 minus 6 plus 50. So it will be 51. And then minus 5 minus 6 plus 50 plus 3. It will be 42. So now we have three sums, which is 2, 51, 42. So obviously this is the maximum sum. So our answer will be 51 divided by 4, which will be somewhere around 12.75. So this will be our final answer for this problem. Now we will discuss how we will solve it in Java coding. Okay, so in Java, we will solve it as I discussed, we will take first window first, so which will be from 1 to this minus 6, and what we will calculate the sum of this window. So initially we will initialize one variable of windows, int variable for window sum, and we will give 0 value. Then what we will do, we will calculate the sum. We all know how to calculate the sum of an array. Then after that, we will initialize one variable for maximum sum, and first we will assign it to the value of window sum. So suppose if this is 2, so that will be getting assigned to this maximum sum. After this, what we will do, we will start from this and we will move ahead to the length of this array. And in this, we will slide the window. So how it will be getting slided? So this window will move from minus 6 to this 50. And since it is moving to 50 and we have only four elements in K, so first element will get reduced from here. So what will happen in this? The next element will get added. So we will start from here, which will be K. So that will be added, nums I, and the first leftmost element of the window, previous window, will get removed. So that will be I minus K. So in this way, the sum of this window will get calculated. Now what we will do, we will compare. We will compare if the maximum sum or the window sum which are the maximum in these two values. So whatever the maximum, we will update here in the max sum. In this way, if we will slide till the end of the array, so we will be having our maximum value for the sum, and we will return maximum sum divided by 4, which will be our actual average value. So this is going to be the optimal approach for this. Okay, so now we will do actual coding in the lead code. So as I said, we will initialize one window sum variable to 0, and then we will calculate the sum of this window, which will be, so for that we need to initialize one for loop from I to k, like that, and it will be like array name is nums, so it will be nums I. Okay, so it's my bad for the typo. Okay, so in this way the window sum will be calculated. So after that we will initialize one max sum variable, and we will first assign it to the window sum. Now our window sum is calculated and we have initialized the max sum, and we have assigned the value of the window sum, which is the first sum of the window. So now we will slide our window to calculate the sum of other windows. So it will be moved from int I equal to k, and it will move till I is less than nums of length. Okay, so here we will update our window sum. So it will be like window sum. So what will happen once our window will slide to the right side? So the next element after the window will get added, which will be nums at k, and the leftmost element of the previous window, which was nums of I minus k, will be removed from here. Now we will update the max sum using math.max function, because we will check which is maximum, if it is the max sum or the window sum, which is updated one. So we will do like that. So in this way our window will slide till the end of the array, and our window sum will be updated, and we will be keep checking if the maximum sum is greater than or not, and whatever the maximum will be, we will return. And in the final result we need to return max sum divided by k. So as we can see, the return type is double here. So we need to make it double. Okay, so in this way, our final result will be returned from. Okay, so we will execute our code now. First cases. Okay, I see one problem here. Actually, it should be nums of I, because it was the kth element, but it should get updated in the next iteration. And also I said the leftmost element of previous window will be removed, so it will be minus. So now let me run. These cases got passed. Let me submit it. Okay, so as we can see, all the cases are getting passed. So this is the optimum solution. And so thank you guys, and let me know if you have any feedbacks for my videos. Till then, keep learning. Happy learning.